In this example, again, we've got two terms. Does not look like they are like terms, but let's see if we can simplify. Okay, so 9 is a perfect square number. So I've got negative 7 times the square root of 9 is 3. And then I've got a y left underneath the radical symbol. Minus 3, now let's see if I can pull anything out of here. 25 is a perfect square number. Square root of 25 is 5. And I have square root of just a y left underneath the square root symbol. Simplifying further, that's negative 21 root y minus 15 root y. And now I see that I do have like terms. Square root of y, square root of y. So negative 21 plus negative 15 will be a negative 36 square root y. Let's do this last example. Again, I've got 3 terms. And let's see if I simplify them. Perhaps they will be like terms. So let's see, 54. I know 54 is 9 times 6. 9 is a perfect square number. I should be able to pull that out. 6 is 2 times 3. And those are prime numbers. Neither one of them are, can be pulled out. So this first term, I've got the 3 on the outside. And then the square root of 9 is 3. And what do I have left underneath the square root symbol? Well, the 2 times 3, which was 6. Great. Now let's see. I'll have minus 4, and let's see if I can pull anything out of here. 24 could be written as, how about 6 times 4? 4 is a perfect square number. I should be able to pull that out. And I just saw here that I can't simplify the 6. 6 will have to stay underneath the radical, right? So let's see. I've got the minus 4 from the outside here. Just kind of goes along for the ride. Square root of 4 is 2. I can pull that out. And what's left underneath the radical symbol is 6. Let's move to the next term. Minus 3. I'll let that kind of go along for the ride. And 150. See, that can be simplified as 10 times 15. And let's see, 10 is 2 times 5. 15 is 3 times 5. Look at this. I got 5 times 5. And then with 2 times 3 kind of left over on the outside. So 5, that's, 25, right? So the square root, 5 times 5, I can pull out the 5. And what's left underneath the radical symbol is the 2 times the 3, which is 6. Aha, turns out all of these are like terms. So let me simplify as I go. This is 9 root 6 minus 8 root 6 minus 15 root 6. And they are all like terms. They all have a root 6 factor. So then I can just combine 9 minus 8 minus 15. Let's see, 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 15 is negative 14 root 6. So for all of these problems in section 9.4a, the trick is first simplify those radicals. See if you can pull anything out of the radical symbol. And once you've done that, then see if you have any like terms that you can combine together.